day. It's about time that I get my way. Steamrolling whatever I see. Huh, despicable me. I'm having a bad day. If you take it personal, that's okay. Watch, this is so fun to see.
Evil steak burger.
Despicable.
Banana. Milkshake. Banana.
Minion mango OJ splasher.
Can I have the Cinnaminions with the ultimate bacon and sausage combo? And scrambled eggs. Look at that. Look at that well of goop.
Ooh.
It's so hot.
A little dippy dip.
I just burned my tongue on a cinnamon.
These are the banana pancakes.
These are awesome. I mean, I think they're just a regular. I guess it's just what we have on the menu all the time is a little like cinnamon bites, but they're really good.
It's very good.
How's the banana flavor?
It's very sweet.
Oh.
It's very sweet.
See, I don't like banana ever since I got COVID in March of 2020. Minions menu? Honks.
They're honks.
Rise of Gru. Out today. Birds on Film. Minions 2. Rise of Gru. Out.
Sometime soon.
A weekish.
Yeah, give it a week. Give it a week. Give us some time.
Oh, despicable me.